Want to make your Elementor website look premium in just a few minutes? In this video, I will show you how to build a beautiful 3D Parallax card section with the HoverDepth Cards plugin. No coding needed, just drag, drop, and style. This widget is called HoverDepth Parallax Cards. It helps you create interactive image cards with tilt and motion. When visitors move the mouse, cards react smoothly. This makes your page feel modern and alive. It is perfect for portfolios, featured services, product highlights, and team sections. Let's start with the installation. First, download the plugin from the link in the video description. Then open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Upload Plugin. Select the file and install it. Once the installation is complete, activate the plugin. That's it, the plugin is now ready to use on your website. Now, open any page with Elementor, click the plus icon and search for HoverDepth Parallax Cards. Drag the widget into your section. A few demo cards will appear automatically. First, go to the Style tab and adjust the card width. Now, let's add our own cards. Under Content, open the Cards Repeater. Each item represents one card. Add a title, foreground image, background image, and an optional link for each card. You can also adjust the front image position using these settings. Now let's add a few card images and see how they look. After that, we'll customize some style settings. A quick tip, use transparent PNG images for the front image to get the best depth effect. Now let's explore the style settings. Here you can adjust the overall grid width and spacing, change the card width and height, add shadows, customize the title typography, and control the text position and alignment inside each card. In the gradient overlay settings, you can enable or disable the overlay effect. You can also hide the overlay on the first card. Choose your start and end colors, adjust the gradient direction, and control the overlay strength with the opacity setting. Now, click Update and open the page on the front end. Move your mouse over the cards to see the effect in action. The foreground and background images move at different speeds, creating a smooth 3D depth effect. And if you've added links, the cards will be fully clickable. Now let's try some different gradient and card settings to see how the design changes. A few quick tips. Keep the tilt range moderate for a smooth and natural effect. Use a text shadow when working with bright images. And for mobile devices, use a balanced card width to keep the layout clean and responsive. That's it. You learned how to install HoverDepth Cards, add the widget, style every part, and create a smooth 3D card section. Try different gradients, card sizes, and motion settings to match your brand. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Elementor tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments.